And the tomatoes are now going to get exposed quite a bit more. These leaves start going away here, so it'd be easier to harvest. I don't know if these tomatoes are going to grow anymore. We got a lot of small tomatoes here, and it's getting cold, guys. We got first signs of frost over here as well, as you can see. And I think these are pretty much done. We'll probably have to harvest oh, they already harvested the watermelon. They didn't know there was a hidden one over here. But we'll probably have to just clean it up. And I don't know, we may just let this go for another week or so and just see if it'll freeze away or what. But this is the update, guys. This tomato has gotten really large, and I think it's done with this season. I don't know if we'll be able to save it or anything like that for next year. I think what we have to do is just save the tomatoes and the tomato seeds. So, but thanks so much for tuning in, for checking this out, for following this whole growth. I think this is probably the last update on this. So yeah, so that's about it. But these are the very first signs of frost and freezing here, and it's not too bad. Actually, as you can see, this whole plant is still looking really, really lush, really, really hardy, and still growing, still going. So I don't know, it's supposed to be warm this coming week, so I'm just gonna let it go, not pull it or anything like that. We're just gonna let it naturally just go on its own. And we'll probably do another couple updates. But yeah, I think this is at the end of its growing cycle here, and hopefully we can get some more fruit. A lot of these are all still green. Lots of tomatoes, all green in here, all over the place. There's one almost turning, but we'll get through these, and we'll clean up the yard here, and that's about it. Thanks for tuning in. This tomato plant has gotten amazing. I don't know how we got it to grow so phenomenal. I have no idea, because we don't have luck in some other spots with growth and things. So this just took over, and then we got other stuff growing. We got some asparagus coming up. Isn't that awesome? And it's starting to seed. Strawberries, seeded lettuce here. That's all gonna go and drop wild drops of seeds naturally. We got some more eggplant that we probably need to harvest here. I don't know if that's gonna grow anymore because it's freezing back as well. But that's about it, guys. That's the update here, and pretty much it's done. I think our growth season is done. We can plant some greens, lettuce, chard, kale, bok choy, spinach, things like that for the winter. There's stuff that you can grow during the winter still, but tomatoes, I think it's pretty much done here pretty soon. All right, we'll see how long this will last into the season. All right, thanks for tuning in and watching. Have a good day.